Hi guys, welcome back. This is I am from digital.com, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make this. So this is the game that I'm gonna show you to make in Scratch. So this is the beginner tutorial series. So I'm gonna show you to make the Pong game. So it's gonna change the background, as you can see when you hit 5, and when you hit the line, it's gonna make this sound. And when you hit 15 points, it's gonna change another background, which is super cool. So we are gonna wait until 15. So this is like basically the Pong game, yeah, and then it changes, and then when it does this sound, and then so today I'm gonna show you how you can make it. So first here, what you want to do is jump on the scratch.mit.edu and then click create, and then click create. So I'm gonna show you here basically. So here in the home page of Scratch, you click create and it's gonna create the project. So when you create it, it should look something like this. So when you create your project, what you want to basically do is follow my steps here. So like it's everything here, but we are gonna make when click block, when green flag clicked, because there is, like, if you see, there's a lot of green flag clicked. So here there's nothing, and here there is one green flag. So if you're a beginner, you might say, whoa, what's this? I'm gonna explain it all. So what you want to do is grab a backdrop. So by hitting that, let me just here, by clicking that, you have all these amazing backdrops. So I first chose the boardwalk. Let me just show you. Okay, backdrops. Here I have the boardwalk, the concrete, and Nubela. So these are and the blue sky. I don't know why I choose the blue sky, but it's not gonna do anything. For this project you need 3. And Nubela, this one. So it's a strange name. So you select the ball. Now, but the backdrop we will come them later, but when it's default, it should look something like this. The boardwalk, you have only the boardwalk and the ball. The boardwalk, the paddle, so what you want to do for picking up sprites is go in here to the cat and the plus, and then like you search. If you don't find them like directly when you click, you have like, you can search the ball, and also you have the ball, you click on it, it's just gonna make another ball, but we don't need it. We have another ball. You already have a ball. You click here and you search paddle. We don't need one because we have it. And then last but not least, the line. So as you can see, I think it's here. No, it's not here. Line, and you have it here. So this is pretty much it. What you need for this is pretty much it. So yeah. So you want to position your stuff. So like this, we're set. Now what you want to do is click on the ball, and you want to do a few things to begin with. So first we need the ball to like move around, because a ball staying in the place where it is, it's not a Pong game. So what you want to do is make one green flag clicked, we are gonna like switch it directly to the backdrop, to the boardwalk. So you're gonna do when clicked block, like there's a lot of when clicked block, and so yeah, you know the point. You're gonna do when clicked block, oh sorry, so when clicked block, and then point in direction. This is really important. You want it always randomized, like 45 degrees. Move 15 steps. This in a forever loop. And if on edge, bounce. This is what enables it to bounce like this. So when you have this set, you want it to go to Y, like set to Y 100. Why? Because when the game ends, you'll see sometimes you will get it in a position when it's here and it's stuck. So when I click, it automatically goes there and it continues. So let's just put it where it was. Click like this. So when you've done this, we want it to sense if it's touching the paddle. So you want to do when clicked block. It's gonna make sense, but no. So when it clicked block, and then like when you begin, put a forever loop. This forever loop is gonna like, it's like checking every time, like if I'm touching, and then you're gonna put an if block so it can check, basically. If touching paddle. So like if touching paddle, then change yeah. So all of these blocks, you can find them here. So this is like a really easy interface. The blue blocks are the motion blocks. Move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees. It's turning, yeah. Turn 15 degrees, go to a random position. Like these all can make you game on their own. You have the looks, the say hello, the think, okay? And you have the sounds. So here is where you select the sounds. You go sounds, add a sound. And then there is all like there's animal sound. Okay. So yeah, so you get the point. There is effects. There is this chomp. There is the crank. Yeah, as you can see, and you have loops. This okay. So notes, percussions, space, sports, voice, wacky. So when you get your sounds, I first like did go on a lot of sounds. And here what you want to do when you pick your sound, like there is stop all sounds, change pitch, like there's a lot of things. And there's the events, basically is when green flag clicked, when space pressed, that means the space bar. There is not just the space bar, the left, the A, all you get the point. These are the event blocks, like here you get the one flag clicked. And then you have the control blocks. You wait 1 second, repeat 10 times, forever loop. It's this if then block. This is the if then block that we did. This one. Yeah, basically this is like, yeah. Now you have the clone, and then you have the sensing touching mouse pointer. In this case you could do it, and there's edge, line, or paddle. Yeah, so this is like you can stop with it, and you have a lot of things: key pressed, key space pressed. You have all the different sensing, and then you have operators. If this plus this, like this plus it has division, it adds, it subtracts, everything. And there is pick random from 1 to 10, like random number 6. This time is 2, 1. So you get the point. If bigger, if less, if equals, equals bigger or less, and or not. There is a lot of things. And you have the variables. In my case, I created one, so you just create a variable, create it for all the sprites, and you just name it. I don't care the name. I don't care what the name is, you just name it. I named it random things. Click, and then you have this good and awesome variable that I don't know the name of. So, and you can delete them. So see here it's variable 0, as you see. So when you and there is my block, you can create a custom block, but I'm not gonna do that. So this is like a detour of all the things, all the blocks. Now let's get into it. So forever if touching paddle, so it's constantly checking if it's touching the paddle. If it touches the paddle, then it's gonna change score by 1. So we score 1 point. So here is 0. And as you see, it scores 1. Oh, I just okay. So it scores 1 point. It adds 1. Adds 1 each time it touches the paddle. We want to turn clockwise. I don't remember. So we are gonna turn, pick a random number from 160 to 189. So yeah, it's random degrees. So we're gonna turn random degrees from 160 to 180. So it could be like maybe, I don't know, 170 or something like that. And then you want to move 20 steps, and then you wait like half a second. So this is basically like it for the paddle. Now, yeah, this I explained it for moving. Now we are gonna go to the line. So if line clicked, if we click, like if we touch the line, if line touching, then stop all. Stop all is, I believe, yeah, in the controls, stop all, it's gonna basically like stop everything by its name. There's stop this sprite script. There's a lot of things. When you're done now, you have to add some things. So like this is like the basic thing. If we were to remove everything, so if we removed like this one, wait, like if we remove this one, this one, this one, I'm just removing. Okay, it's gonna bring everything back. Okay, so it works. I'm gonna move everything to like show you how it looks without all the necessary effects. So touching line, so I think I have all the necessary things. So here is how it would look. So just like a boring game, okay? And then it ends all without the special effects. And then what you want to do is like put special effects. Of course, who doesn't want special effects in his game? I mean, like just the silly people who doesn't want visual effects or sound effects. So we are not silly people, so we are gonna do this. So Oh, I must have messed up quite a bit. I think quite a bit. Quite a bit. Right? I like, come on, it should bring everything back. Well, no. So when I figured this out, I see you there. So here guys, I figured it out. So yeah, I figured it out. Don't ask me how, but I figured it out. So, and I even did get rid out of some things, so I can redo them later for you to see. So here we have it with special effects, and by the way, you are gonna see it, it's awesome, just awesome. So what you want to add in addition to, wait 1 second, this wasn't here, so I'm just gonna pretend that that didn't happen. So what you want to do is grab a when green flag clicked, set score 0, because that's honestly what we want. If we get rid of this quickly, it will look something like this. Then if you lose, it stays, and if we click the green flag, like, yeah. So if you want to cheat, you know how. Right now, you know how to cheat. So basically, and if the backdrop changes, there is no way to get the original backdrop. It keeps changing and changing. So what you want to do is you want to you want to grab this set score 0 to here, and then wait until score here where it comes the operators tab here, and the variable tabs. So what you want to do is create a variable named score, and then go to operators, choose this one, equals. So when it's gonna equal 5, when the score equals 5, let's change it to 6. So we're gonna wait until score equals 6, so we can switch to the other backdrop, switch to the backdrop concrete. So I have to specify it. You have the specification, or next backdrop, or previous backdrop, or pick random, and there is blue sky. So, and you repeat the same thing, wait until score, your score of choice, I'm choosing 15, switch to Nubela. I think I pronounced it not good, but okay. That is basically it. It's really super simple, but we still have the issue of the backdrop not doing his thing. So you go then when green flag clicked, and you go to looks. No, I don't think it looks. Yeah, I think it's switch to costume, switch to backdrop. And there's boardwalk. So here when we click, it switches back to boardwalk, and it's the default backdrop. So we're good. Now coming for the sound effects. So, and I'm gonna add things later. So here what you want to do to add the losing sound for the line. When you hit the line, I'm just gonna rearrange it so it looks good there. Now what you want to do is go to sound sounds like I previously mentioned, and play sound until done. And now we're gonna go to events. Yeah, when green flag clicked, but we don't want it to play when the green flag is clicked. See? It plays it like instantly. Put this like this. Yeah, see, it's not fun. So what you want to do is, instead of doing this, we go to sensing. Wait. We have to go to events. I think it's not events. Yeah, there. Controlled. Wait until go to sensing, touching not mouse pointer but line. So here when it touches the line, you see it makes the sound. So I'm just gonna rearrange the X for this one. The Y, I mean the Y. So now it's a bit more fun, I should say. And for the issue that you saw when it was stuck under the thing, we're gonna fix it. So what you want to do is go when green flag clicked, go to motion, and there is this thing where you have to select the Y. There is this thing where you just put it, and then you click, drag, and then put it. It's like automatically shows you the Y. So we want it to just like be over there. So in my case it's 110 minus 110. So yeah, so we just then select it and drag it here. So now when we click there, and you can re-click and it does the same thing, but it's super annoying then. So basically let's do a quick test. So yeah, like this. Okay, let's re-click it like this. Now we wait until score 5. If I manage to get score 5, what? Oh yeah, I made it 6. So until score 6, now we have to wait until 15. Okay, I'm starting to get dizzy, so okay. So patience is everything. Alright. So, oh shoot. Okay. So I have to get this. So, okay. Have to stay focused. Okay, I couldn't get it, but you get the point. I'm a bad player. And by the way, if you are interested in gaming, I have a gaming channel, a brand new gaming channel. So if you want to check it out, I have a link down below in the description. So it's a gameplay channel, Minecraft and Fortnite, everything. It's new, so yeah. So basically now, just okay. So just let it alone. We're gonna come back later, and we have this, which is cool, but we needed a bit more fun. So we're gonna go to the paddle. Oh no, we don't need the paddle. So we stay here, and then we grab one click when green flag clicked. We're gonna go to, yeah, they're gonna go to control forever. Where is it? wait until, and we're gonna go to the sensing, touching. So it's gonna continuously check. So we're gonna pick pedal, and we're gonna go to sounds, hit the boink. No, not the boing. The boing sound. So it's like it bounces. Boing. I don't think I spelled it. Not boing. It's not any of these. So I'm just gonna make my way through these, and when I get to them, I see you there. So here, guys, I managed to get a pretty funny one. Isn't that cool? So we're gonna pick this as the one it hits the paddle. So bing boing. Let's test it out. Strange. I'm not hearing any sounds. Okay. What? So I'm not hearing any sounds. You know what? So this is not good. We are doing something wrong, and I think I get the thing. So we have to do an if then block. On top of this, go like this, and then like this. So I think here it should be good. Strange. We're not hearing any sounds. Okay. I'm gonna. So this works apparently. Oh, now I know. Now I do know. See this? I'm gonna just duplicate, not everything, but like this. I think we should do it like this, and not the line, but the paddle. Strange enough, it didn't do anything. So let's us with something else. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna copy it. Go here, paste it. I said paste. So it didn't work, I guess, but we're gonna just drag it there. So let's try. So here we are gonna try nothing. Oh yeah, because I said paddle. It has to be ball. Ooh, oh, that's weird. So I'm gonna figure it out, and when I figure it, I will see you in the place. So here, guys, I figured it out. So what you want to do is pick the boing, bing boing sound and apply it to where it did go. Yeah, right here. Apply it to the edge. So I want to do wait until and all of that stuff. So as I said here, guys, you want to go to like this. You want to do everything in this spot. So I want to grab forever, loop, wait until, and the sensing with the sensing blocks, and play sound. And here I added another thing while I was searching. So as you see, makes the sound, and it changes the color, because if you go here to this sprite, to custom, there is a lot of colors. So what I've done is when green flag clicked, if it's the ball, if it's touching the edge, then we switch to the next costume, and if it touches the paddle, we'll do the same thing. And don't forget to do, when green flag clicked, switch to costume ball A, because it's the default. Right here, it's the default. So when you have all of this done, you basically have the Pong game. So there you have it, guys. This is the Pong game. So let's test it. So it goes to the default, and it does the sound. Wait, it does two sounds. So now we're gonna test if, okay, so it's gonna change there. Then it should go to Nubila when we hit 15 points. There we go. So this is like a basic, really basic Pong game. So I could like do this for ages and ages. So there you have it, guys. Hope you liked, and if so, then please share, comment, and subscribe. And by then, see you in the next one.